In this video, I will show you how to install two Instagram on one phone. If you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening up your Play Store app and then search for Parallel Space. So once you search for this, you are going to see this app. Make sure it's this exact app that you are downloading, this Parallel Space app cloning. You can see it's having about 100 million downloads as of right now. So make sure you just click on it and then install it to your device. So once done installing it, just click on open. Then click on agree and continue. Then click on continue. Click on allow. And once you've done this, it's going to load up a little bit. Then click on start. Now, as you can see, the app is fully loaded up. So we don't need to clone any other app. So we're going to unselect the other apps and just leave Instagram as the only one that we are cloning. So once the Instagram is marked, you can see that only Instagram is marked. So just click on add to parallel space. Once you do this, click on accept, and then you can see that it's actually cloned Instagram. So we're going to do this twice. So let's click on it again. Select just Instagram. Let's unselect the other ones. Then click on add to parallel space. So right now you can see that we have two Instagram right here. So if I'm to click on this first Instagram, you see that it's going to open. Now mind you, this Instagram is not connected to the Instagram I have on my phone. This is a separate cloned Instagram. So you can see it's open. Now let's clone it again. If we click on add app, and now you can see we are having three Instagram in here. So this app is the best app that you can actually use to clone your Instagram as many times as possible. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.